Hey, what up peeps, welcome back to the channel. Just a little flight footage of just a spot drone excursion and I call Bldg. Anyways, we got a church that's moving into it, so we're trying to get some flights in at their little canopy tents and stuff before they move in. Alright, so enjoy the flights, and it's actually on this guy right here. He's got some floaty props, so, and getting used to some new rates. Alright, anyways, enjoy. Peace.
Strong.
Baby, what you dance with me?